Well, it was the Delhi Capitals who came victorious against the Royal Challengers Bangalore, and guess what? They grabbed the spot number two. So we have the qualifier one in place now. Mumbai Indians will be playing against the Delhi Capitals. Royal Challengers Bangalore, on the other hand, made sure that Delhi doesn't win in 17.3 overs, and in a way they have kept their net run rate more than KKR. So now the only team that can go out of the top four is Kolkata Knight Riders. Tomorrow Mumbai Indians will be playing against the Sunrisers Hyderabad, and if Sunrisers wins, KKR are out, and if they don't win, KKR are through. So the equation has become, finally it has become easier now. So all Sunrisers Hyderabad have to worry about is a win. If they can win, then they are through. Else, they just have to pack their bags and go back to Hyderabad. DC played well. Dhawan and Rahane came back to form, and they showed why it is important to be patient and just go with the straight back shots. RCB, on the other hand, again we have seen that they are over dependent on Kohli and De Villiers. Their middle order hasn't fired yet, but they want to find an answer to that because the playoffs are much bigger, are with much bigger stake, and they would like to correct all the mistakes that they have done in the league stage. So, Mumbai versus SRH. Mumbai Indians have nothing to lose. They have already qualified at spot number one. So we might expect Mumbai Indians playing, like benching their major superstars like Quinton de Kock, Jasprit Bumrah for tomorrow's game, and they might bring in someone like Chris Lynn and Dhaval Kulkarni in place of them, just to see if they can be used for playoffs and in case of some injuries. So let's take a look at our match number 56, the ground report, the Dream 11 team, and the playing 11 in our next section. Stay tuned. So let's take a look at the ground stats, the playing 11 changes, and the Dream 11 team. This game is the match number 56, the last league game, which will be played at the ground of Sharjah. We have seen that the team chasing, they are doing much better at Sharjah because of dew settling in. It becomes very easy to chase. At this ground, the par score is around 160, 165, but you might see some big scores getting scored in tomorrow's game. As far as Mumbai is concerned, this game is not of that importance to them unless they want to continue their winning momentum while going into the playoffs. But for Sunrisers Hyderabad, this game means a lot. They have to win this game. So, the players to watch out for. The players to watch out for the Mumbai Indians team are Chris Lynn, Hardik Pandya and Kieron Pollard. Chris Lynn might come in place of de Kock, and as he is the fresh guy, he has not played any cricket in this IPL so far. So you might expect the Linsanity fireworks from him tomorrow. Hardik Pandya has been scoring some good runs for Mumbai Indians, and if he plays in tomorrow's game, he would like to make use of that shorter boundaries in Sharjah, and you might see him getting promoted to the order tomorrow. Same with Kieron Pollard. Kieron Pollard has been batting at number 5 or 6 for MI. He hasn't got that bigger innings yet. Yeah, he has scored some innings that are bigger in stature, but you know he can get you some 80s and 60s as well when the team needs. So Kieron Pollard will be the player to watch out for. As far as the Sunrisers Hyderabad are concerned, I'm going in with the experienced campaigners in Warner, Pandey and Rashid. Warner, as you know, he can be the beast at his given day, and he would like to be in that mode at least tomorrow because Sunrisers Hyderabad have to win tomorrow's game. Manish Pandey has been in good form and he will continue to do so in tomorrow's game, and he likes playing against Mumbai Indians. So Rashid Khan might make use of the slow wicket of Sharjah in the second innings. If Sunrisers defends, then he might be handy and he can score some lusty blows as well. Wildcard picks for MI is Ishan Kishan. We have seen against CSK that he just blasted through the CSK bowling lineup, and he can do it tomorrow as well to give Mumbai a good start. Jason Holder, we have seen his all-round show against RCB at the same venue, and you can expect the same. We have seen the actual Holder who can hit the ball cleanly with the bat and take some wickets as well. So he'll be the wild card for Sunrisers. As far as the playing 11 changes are concerned, Sunrisers Hyderabad, I don't see any changes. They would like to go with the settled squad. As far as the Mumbai team is concerned, I see some like good number of changes happened in their team. Some of the significant changes are Chris Lynn might come in for Decock. Dhaval Kulkarni will be drafted in for Jasprit Bumrah, and Mitchell McClenaghan will be a like-for-like replacement for Trent Bolt. Hardik Pandya might come in place of Jayant Yadav, who replaced him in the previous game, but it still depends because Hardik Pandya has some history of his back issues, so it depends on the management how they want to handle that. Our Dream 11 team is based on these changes, so we are going in with one keeper batsman, that is Ishan Kishan. You can use Wriddhiman Saha as well. As far as the batting picks are concerned, Surya Kumar Yadav, Chris Lynn, Warner and Manish Pandey. And our fifth batsman, you can pick either Hardik Pandya, Krunal or Kane Williamson. Krunal can give you 4 overs as well. We are going in with 2 all-rounders, Pollard and Rashid. The bowling, we are going in with 3 bowlers, Chahar, Holder and Sandeep. You can bring in Mitchell McClenaghan for Chahar and Dhaval Kulkarni instead of Sandeep. So these are the changes. We are going in with captain as David Warner and vice captain as Ishan Kishan, but as you know, you can select any of the top order batsmen as your captain and some bowlers like Sandeep Sharma, Jason Holder or Rashid Khan as your vice captaincy choice. The team to win, looking at the changes and the kind of team that Mumbai will be fielding, SRH will be hot favourites to win tomorrow's game, but as you know, anything can happen on a given day. Chris Lynn on his given day can blast any team, and if Mumbai puts up a big score, it will be difficult for Sunrisers to chase. So these are the changes. This is our team prediction. You make your choices. May the best team win.